Okay, to compute the sample standard deviation, we'll take the deviations first. Okay, to compute the sample standard deviation, we'll start by getting the deviations. That is, by taking each value of x and subtracting the sample mean. In a previous video, we had a sample mean for this data set 5, so we will subtract 5 from each one of the values here, and again the sum of those deviations will always be 0. To counteract that, so we can make a calculation that won't always end up to be 0, we will make all the numbers positive by squaring them. And then we'll get the sum of those, and that's 22. And then we'll compute the standard deviation. S is equal to the square root of the sum of the x sub I minus x bar squared, or sum of squares total. It's this 22 down here, divided by the sample size minus 1. Make sure in the calculation of sample standard deviation that you subtract 1 from the sample size. That's something called degrees of freedom, which we will talk about somewhat more later in the course. 22 then, now we'll divide by 5. That's 6 minus 1. There's 6 points there. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll subtract 1 from that to get 5. And our answer then will be 2.0976. I'd round that to 2.10. You might want to round it to 2.098 maybe. Either one of those will be fine.